I believe Rhinox goes beyond being a manufacturer of buckets and attachments for excavators and telehandlers. So we're a third generation family business, and my grandfather and my father started in the garage of their house as a small plant hire company back in 1986. We advanced forward. By 1994 we sold off the plant hire business and we were focusing on the spare parts business to plant hire and to other construction equipment companies. Then we fast forward again to 2018. By that stage we were wanting to really focus in on the buckets and attachment side of the business because that's what we had a passion for and we felt we could really make a difference in the industry. And so today we have Rhinox. We started back in a small garage at the rear of their house in Bedfordshire with just 2 employees, and now we have 54 employees spread across 4 countries around the globe. We hold stock of over 20,000 products. We have a stocking location in the UK and in the US, and we have more than 10 manufacturing sites spread around the world supplying our demand. So people often say what makes Rhinox different, what benefits the customer, and it's a really important question, and it's something that I believe passionately in, because I think what really makes a difference here at Rhinox is really that passion for delivering excellence in customer service. We believe in going the extra mile, that's one of our core values, and fundamentally we strive for that every day as a team to deliver the best possible service for our customers. On top of that, innovation is also extremely important to us. We believe in delivering excellent quality products and bringing those unique innovations in and constantly challenging the status quo for our customers to deliver the best possible product. We've done small things like putting hooks on the hangers of our buckets to make handling the buckets much easier. Small detail makes a big difference. Increasingly, we're being conscious of our carbon footprint and going green, as more and more of our customers are finding that important. So we're having a big focus as a company to make sure that we are taking better care of the environment. A lot of our employees actually have previous experience working in the construction industry, in the plant hire industry, and we've built up a lot of knowledge over a number of years within our team, which means we can actually relate to the problem that you face as a customer. And I think that gives us that added advantage in the market because we understand your problem, your pressures today, and we can actually relate to that. And that's what drives our team to deliver that best possible service to our customers. Every single product we sell here at Rhinox has been designed by us for you, the customer. And that's important because we really like to listen to what our customers need and want. And we then have the ability, through our design process, we have a whole team of design engineers. We utilise the latest CAD design technology. So we're fully in control of that design process. We're fully in control of what gets specified in terms of the materials used in our products. We have strict quality control processes, strict design processes that retains that control within Rhinox for the product that we sell. I'd like to encourage every single person that runs an excavator or a telehandler to put your trust in us as a company, because we are absolutely about delivering service for everyone, regardless of whether you're a large machine manufacturer, whether you're a rental company or a utility contractor that runs your own fleet of equipment, or you may be a landscaper or a builder that runs one machine. We offer you too. We have a saying within the team, one standard of excellence, and what we mean by that is that we strive to deliver that same level of service whether you're a single machine operator or whether you have a huge fleet of machines. We're absolutely going to be continuing to bring new innovations and new products to the market, and we've got some exciting developments coming online in the next few months. So our vision is to become a global brand. However, through all those growth plans, we won't be losing sight of our core, which has got us where we've got to today, which is through delivering exceptional customer service and great quality products. That, for us, is the most important thing through any of our journey. So we'd love you to join us on our journey as we move forward from here.